a pet and show you some of the wonderful dogs and cats who are waiting for you there. The first cat we're going to show you today, you're looking at Pizza Hut. She's 4 years old. She's a spayed female brown tabby, brought into the shelter with a litter of kittens. The owner said that they had lost their jobs, couldn't take care of the cats anymore. The story of why the population in the shelter has grown so much and why it's so hard to find homes for all these guys. So many people have lost theirs. She's sweet and affectionate and loving. She's petite. She actually looks like a little kitten, though she's a grown cat. And she just needs somebody to take her home and somebody to love her. You're looking at Pizza Hut. This Morris look-alike is named McVie. He's 8 years old. He's a neutered male. He's very affectionate when he gets to know you, but he's a little shy in the offset and a little standoffish until he knows that you're just there to love him, and at that point he'll be your best friend. They're kind of looking for a quieter home for McVie. Not that he's ill or aged or anything else, but simply because it takes him a while and he'd like to have all of your attention and all of your kindness. He does get along with other cats. He certainly loves to be petted. He's a big boy. He's elegant. Nice busy looking out the window. Psst, psst, psst. Hey, guy, can we see your pretty face? Look at that beautiful chiseled lion of a face. This is McVie. McVie would only love to get out of here and get into a home. This elegant girl is Mrs. Renee. She is a 2-year-old spayed Siamese mix. Was abandoned when her owners moved. And she has one eye that was damaged. It was scarred when she came in, so she only sees from one eye. She's very sweet. She's very affectionate. She can be very frisky at times and very talky, which is typical Siamese behavior. But she's absolutely gorgeous, and this is another cat that'll get passed down because she's not perfect. But nobody told her that she's not perfect. She thinks she's perfect, and she would be a perfect, loving pet for anyone who could take her home. Her name is Mrs. Renee. She is sweet, she is young, she is loving. She is slightly flawed on the outside, but on the inside she's just perfect. You're looking at Java Bean. Java is 6 years old. He's a neutered male, medium long hair, coal black and sleek and gorgeous. He's picked up as a stray. He loves to be held. He loves to be cuddled. He is a lap cat. He would do well with older kids and kids who are patient with him. He looks out of the world with beautiful green eyes. If you've always dreamed of owning your own personal panther, this is Java Bean. You could have a pocket panther who would like to do nothing more than love you for the rest of his life. He is beautiful, he is gentle, he is kind, he is loving, and he's in a shelter, and he needs to go home. His name is Java Bean. You're looking at Jasper. Jasper is only 9 months old. She's a white and brown tabby female. Was a rescue at 2 months old, and she's been here for 7 months waiting for someone to see just how special she is. She is playful. She is alert. She is loving. She is gentle. She's been raised here with the kindness of employees and volunteers who taught her all about loving and taught her all about cuddling and taught her all about being petted and being loved. And now all she wants is some permanent person, some individual person who can take her home and offer her, on a nonstop basis or as close as it could possibly be, the kind of loving that she's used to getting. She's a kitten. She plays. She romps. She's beautiful. Her temperament is fixed and sweet, and all she wants to do is be loved. You're looking at Jasper. This is the last cat we're going to show you. You're looking at Fuzzywigs. He is a 4-year-old neutered male Himalayan mix, obviously flame point Himalayan mix, and he's mostly cream and he's very fluffy. He is super sweet. He is an attention grabber. He is a cuddler. He does, however, need special diet because he forms crystals in his urine, which is not uncommon with cats, and is not a big deal as long as you keep him on a diet that's going to prevent that from happening. But if you want a big, huge, lovely, blue-eyed ball of fur who will shed on your clothes and make you happy to wear his hair, who will sit on your lap and make your lap warm, in the cold weather, this guy is like having a big fuzzy blanket. He's sweet, he's beautiful, he's loving. He is on a special diet, which is why he's our special needs kitty of the day. But this is an easy one to take care of. And this is an absolutely gorgeous fellow who only wants a forever home of his own. You're looking at Fuzzywigs. This is the first dog we're going to show you today. You're looking at Bud. Bud is a Brussels Griffon mix, probably anybody's guess. 3 years old, neutered male. He's good with dogs. He's good with cats. They suggest that he go to a home with kids 12 or older because he's nervous and frightened when he's around new people. He is tiny, and he's just a little guy. Once he warms up, he's a love bug. He loves to be cuddled. He plays fetch with squeaky toys. He loves to go for walks. He obviously likes his cookies. He was given up by his owner to a different animal facility and brought in here so that the people at Save a Pet could find him a new home. He's absolutely adorable. He's got that fuzzily hair. He's got an Ewok-y face with great eyebrows. He's cute as he can be. Again, little guy. His name is Bud, and he's just a sweetheart, and he's looking for a nice forever home.